What's up, my subscriber brethren and new to the channel people? We're gonna take this guy from quarantine mess to super fresh in an instant. Let's do it. We're gonna start off by wetting down the hair. We're gonna cut the top first because he has curly hair, and I just want to cut the top first because I can. So we're gonna create our guideline, take about a ½ inch, go all the way forward from the crown of the head to the front of the hair. We're gonna use that guideline to come all the way back. I'm gonna take the foreguard just to lay his hair down. This is a technique I kind of learned from one of my barber friends. And when you have a guy with poofy and curly hair, this will just kind of lay it down nice and even. Now we're gonna take that same four and we're gonna create our guideline. Everything under here is pretty much gonna be faded. We're gonna use a little bit of clipper over comb. My man has a difficult head of hair. He has a little bit of a lumpy scalp on the bottom. And you'll be able to see like divots in the bottom of his head. It ends up fresh, but you'll see what I'm talking about while I'm cutting it. We're gonna create our skin line. We're gonna use our Andis T-outliners. We're just gonna go down with the hair. We're gonna drop it down in the back. Then we're gonna go up and remove the extra hair. And a shaver on deck. Shaving away right here, guys. To take out your shaver line, use your T-outliner or any liner you have. You go up 1/8 of an inch. This works perfectly. You'll never have a fade line in your hair if you do this. And this is before you even start doing anything. So then when you hit your 3-0, it's already blended. You got shaver, trimmer, 3-0, no line. Take that one guard all the way around, keep it closed. As you can see, his hair this is a somewhat difficult haircut. His hair is thin and curly. So you can see while I'm cutting it that sometimes you think thick hair is a hard hair. Sometimes thin hair is a little bit difficult too when you have curly thin hair. Now we're gonna take the four, we're gonna just create another guideline. We're gonna work down to the half line. Alright, I'm gonna walk you guys through this. Take your 3 guard. Go right under the 4 guard. 3 1/2. 3 open. Watch for the lever. shut the lever now, so now we're working with a 3. Now I'm gonna use a 1.5, one open. I'm gonna fade out the bottom line. Now I got the 1.5 guard open, which is a 2. And we're gonna fade the middle out. Close the 1.5. Now we're gonna go open and close the lever on the bottom of the fade. Almost called it a taper. We're gonna use a blade open, and then we're gonna fade out that line. We're gonna close the lever, and fade out that bottom line. Using corners of the blade, pulling the ear down, just like that. I shot this video in 4K, so if you throw it on the TV, it will look beautiful. If you're on the computer, you can subscribe with the subscribe button in the right corner. If you're on your phone, go ahead and hit subscribe for me. Whichever way you're going about it. We got our half guard now, and we're just gonna take out the other line. Just working our way, getting through the day. Got the 1.5 again. We got it closed. Now we have the 1 guard. Just taking out the dark areas now. Now we're gonna clipper over comb his hair. I'm gonna comb it out and then clipper over comb it. Got the 3 guard in the back. We're just going under the 4 guard. So you just go 3, 2, 1, 1.5. Work your way down like mathematical. Got your 1 guard on now. You see the little lumps and ridges around the back of his head. So we're just fading around that. Opening and closing the lever, half guard, taking out darkness. Back to the 3-0. Corner of the blade, making magic happen, guys. Generally, you're gonna spend most of your time on the back of the head. That's where the hairs are thickest. You also have the ridge on the back, and you'll get a lot of shadowing and dark hair. So make sure the back of the haircut looks good, guys. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna flick out with the 4, hit him with the 3. Hit him with the 2. Open the lever. You can see it real good on this side. Opening and closing the lever. Now I got the 1 guard on there. Just taking out bolt. Taking out dark spots now. Corner of the blade. You know your boy has confidence with you when he's talking the whole time. Half guard. We're just working like a little taper right here to get a nice little contrast. Now we're gonna go with the blade open and connect it around the back of the ear. detail work, corner of the blade, taking out those lines. Connecting from the back ridge to the side of the head. Make sure all the dark spots are gone. Look at that detail work right there, guys. Now we got the 3.5 guard. These are the Wahl Premium guards, by the way. Babyliss super trimmer. Just gonna edge up the corner of his line. Zip around the beard. Just barely tap. We're gonna do a lot of the detail with the razor, so you just want to give yourself a guideline. You don't want to push too far with the shaver, because then his beard will turn to a chin strap. You know your boy trusts you when he's talking to you while you're lining him up. Lining up his beard at that. Alright guys, you made it this far in the video. I hope I explained things properly. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the bell, the subscribe, the like, the thumbs up, all that good stuff. Support your boy. Appreciate it. Till next week, have a good one. Everyone stay safe. Peace out.